grand open, with a bustling toy shop filled with colorful shelves stacked with various toys. Kids of all ages roam around, eyes sparkling with excitement. Welcome to Toyland, where dreams come alive. In this bustling toy shop, children wander among aisles of toys, each captivating their imagination. Show different children exploring the shop, some examining action figures, others intrigued by remote-controlled cars, dolls, puzzles, and board game. The Enchanted Dollhouse focus on a little girl, Emily, who discovers a mesmerizing dollhouse at the corner of the shop. Emily, wow! Look at this beautiful dollhouse! It's like a tiny magical world! The dollhouse comes to life. Mini furniture glows. Dolls move on their own, creating a magical moment. Behold the Enchanted Dollhouse, a miniature world where imagination knows no bounds. Adventures with action figures. Cut to a group of kids playing with action figures, creating a heroic battle scene. Kid 1, my superhero will save the day. Kid 2, not if my action figure defeats yours first. The action figures come to life in the kids' imagination, battling epic villains and saving the day in their imaginary world. Race of remote-controlled cars. Move to a group of kids racing remote-controlled cars in a specially designed track. Watch out! I'll win this race! The cars zoom around the track, performing stunts and maneuvers, amidst cheers and laughter from the children. Puzzle quest transition to a quieter corner where a few kids are engrossed in solving puzzles. I think this piece goes here! As they solve the puzzle, the scene transforms, transporting them into a world where the completed puzzle comes to life, revealing a breathtaking landscape. Board Game Bonanza Show. A group of kids gathered around a table, playing a board game. I'll roll the dice. Let's see where I land. As they play, the board game transforms into a lively, immersive experience where they become characters within the game, embarking on an adventurous quest. Toyland's Finale. All the kids gather in the middle of the shop, holding their favorite toys. In Toyland, every toy brings a world of wonder, sparking creativity and endless fun. The kids smile, waving goodbye to the toy shop, carrying their treasured toys as they depart, cherishing the memories created in Toyland. Closing shot of the toy shop, its doors closing as the day ends, leaving a magical aura lingering in the air. Until next time, when Toyland's magic will enchant us all over again. So kids, end of today's video. I hope you like it. For more videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Danyal Haider Cartoons